So most people solve this question like 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Then again 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Now 7 multiply minus 7 is equal to minus 49. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P, E, M, D, A, S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one subtraction and one parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So now 8 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. So multiply minus 7. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication. So is equal to 8 plus minus 1 multiply minus 7 is equal to plus 7, right? So now 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So the correct answer is 15, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer.